Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
In the video yesterday, I pointed out a short liquidation cluster sitting at 104.5. What happened since then was wild. After a sharp scare wick from 102.6K all the way down to 99.6K within just 3 hours today, the price surged back up with force. Within 6 hours, Bitcoin rebounded 6.43% to hit fresh highs at 106K. I honestly expected the price to consolidate around 103.5K. That level was historically important and served as a magnet in the past. But today's price action smashed through it, even cleared the 104.3K zone, and went straight through the red horizontal line at 105K. Only the orange horizontal line held as resistance. Still, a 6% intraday reversal is nothing short of impressive. I definitely did not expect that kind of strength after the earlier panic move. I stayed on the sidelines throughout, but my existing trades are finally turning green again. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is testing the red horizontal at 105K. The wave trend on the 45-minute chart is starting to turn, which suggests we could still revisit 104.3K, or even that familiar yellow horizontal at 103.5K. Either way, today's recovery proves that Bitcoin came out of this panic like an absolute champ. And guess what? Institutions were buying that fear through the Bitcoin ETFs. That is just insane. Coins are once again moving from weak hands to strong hands. I truly hope you, and everyone in this community, stayed calm and traded smart during the shakeout. Also worth mentioning, Michael Saylor posted that Strategy has acquired another 245 Bitcoin for around $26 million at an average price of $105,856. As of June 22nd, they now hold 592,345 Bitcoin with a total cost basis of over $41.87 billion. Turning to the 3-day liquidation heat map, the entire zone from 102.8K to 104.5K was wiped out in today's move. Total liquidations reached $481.32 million, of which $364.56 million came from shorts alone. That is over 75% of all liquidations in that window. Brutal. Looking at the 1-week liquidation heat map, the next logical target now appears to be 106.6K, but let's give our old friend Bitcoin some breathing room before the next leg. This move needs to cool off a bit before it rips again. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.